This video is about taking the shrimp fried rice to the next level. I ordered a plate of shrimp fried rice, among others, in the Michelin's awarded restaurant last week. The fried rice was good, but it is slightly different from what I'm expected. So, I planned to improvise this fried rice by retaining all the best elements, but includes other elements that can yield the dream shrimp fried rice that pictured in my mind. Let's get into the details. To begin with, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a small pan over low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic or chopped garlic and start to saute it slowly until it turns golden brown. Add a pinch of salt to season it. This step is delicate, as the garlic burns quickly over high heat. Remove the garlic from the oil immediately when it reaches the desired golden color. Otherwise, the garlic will become too dark and bitter. Pour the fried garlic through the wire mesh strainer and keep the garlic and use the oil to cook the shrimps in the wok. Add some salt and white pepper to the shrimps and mix well. Arrange the shrimps in the wok and sear with both sides slowly until they are slightly charred. Keep it at low to medium heat so that they have better control of the doneness of the shrimps. Once they turn slightly golden, remove and set aside. Next, crack 2 eggs. Separate the yolk from the whites. And then add the yolks and all the cooked rice to the wok over low heat. Mix the rice with the egg quickly before the egg yolk is hardened. Let the egg yolk coat the surface of the rice. Reduce the heat if you find that it tends to stick. Wait until the egg is fully cooked before turning to higher heat. Push the rice to the side of the wok. Add the egg white to the center. And have a quick stir with a spatula to form it into short strands. By doing so, you will get the rice coated with egg yolk, which is yellow, and scattered with strands of egg white, which is white. This concept is taken from the golden fried rice or 黃金炒飯. Once the egg is fully cooked, turn up the heat. Season the rice with salt. Lastly, add some mixed beans. Return the shrimp and the fried garlic to the wok. Add a tablespoon of scallion. Turn to high heat and stir fry for half a minute. Dish out. This is how I cook the shrimp fried rice. You can download the recipe and read more details about it at tasteasianfood.com/shrimp fried rice. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find there are many more of the similar videos out there. Until then, my name is KB Kwan. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.